Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien.
How long have you been in Australia and why did you come to Australia?
I came to Australia 4 years ago with my family because I saw the opportunity for me as a chef to work in this country, which is beautiful.
I've been working in pubs and many different venues in Australia.
Yeah.
And you'd like to introduce a little bit of Mexican. Why is that?
I study as a chef, so I can cook everything.
Yeah?
I used to work in Italian restaurants, in different kind of restaurants, different cuisines. But my passion is obviously Mexican food. It's my roots. It's what I like to cook, and it's what I know to do the best.
And where do you get your inspiration for Mexican food? Is it because it's your country, or is it because it reminds you where you're growing up, or is it your family?
I think it's a little bit of everything. My family, where I remember my childhood, and when I travel, all that I used to eat, and it's because it's my country.
What do you like the most of Mexican food? Why you want to share with everybody else?
All that they know is Tex-Mex food, and we have a lot of more stuff to offer. A lot of moles, and we have beautiful seafood, raw seafood, cooked seafood. There is a lot of dishes that I want to share with the world because I think they deserve to be known.
When it comes to Mexican ingredients, what's the one ingredient that you can't live without?
Tortilla. Yeah. I think because we eat everything in a taco. For breakfast, scrambled eggs with something.
Yeah.
It can be super simple with a tortilla. If we have rice and beans, tortilla.
Yeah, the simplest of all the tacos, eh?
Exactly.
Or just the cream, crema, and salt, and that's it.
Yeah, exactly. Straight from La Tortilleria when they still like really, really warm. Just with a bit of salt, you make your little taco and you eat it on your way home.
Obviously, Australians love tacos, and I think fish taco in Australia is sort of king.
Yeah, it's like the best.
But what's your favorite taco?
Simple rice and beans. I like what we call Milanesa, which is a schnitzel.
Yeah.
Like super simple, but something to remind me when I used to eat at home.
Yeah. My last question. This is a pub, and
Yeah.
in a pub, people expect pub food.
Yeah.
But you give them a little bit of Mexican.
Yeah.
What's people's reaction to it?
It was a little bit difficult because they used to come and look at the board menu and they were like, there's no schnitzel here. Do you have a rump steak? I was like, oh, we don't have that, but we can offer you this, and this taco we have on a special. It's delicious. You need to try it. And some of the people were like, oh yeah, sure, I'll try. And they were like, oh my God, this is delicious. Yeah. And they become regular here to our pub.
Yeah, no.
And some other people were like, okay, thank you. See you. Yeah. So it's not for everyone, probably, but people like Mexican food.
More and more, eh?
More and more. I think more and more every time.
I'm a fan of what you do. It's
Thank you.
Awesome. It's awesome. You're really pushing Mexican beyond what is normally comfortable. You bring it and put it in a pot, which is amazing. And I can't wait to have your taco.
Taco time. The beef cheek is so delicious. Yes. I like to put a little bit of cabbage because of the crunchiness, and obviously onion and coriander and a very good salsa verde and lime.
Wow. That is a taco.
That is a taco.
Delicious.